In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you can't start a game or application on PS5. So, the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller and select power on the right side and turn off your console fully for 30 to 60 seconds and try and launch your game again. Now, if that doesn't work, go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner and scroll down and select users and accounts, and then go down to other, and you want to restore licenses on your PSN account. Now, once this is finished, you can go back to the PS5 home menu, and then you want to highlight the game you're trying to run and press the Start or Options button on your controller and check and see if there's an update for the game. Now, if you're running the latest version, press the Start or Options button again and back up your save file, and then you want to delete the game and reinstall it on your console to see if that fixes the issue. Now, if it's still not working, go to the Settings cogwheel in the top right corner and go to System, and then you want to select System Software and go to System Software Update and Settings and make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Now, if that didn't work, turn off your PS5 fully, and then you want to press the power button for 5 to 10 seconds or until you get 2 beeps, which will bring you into safe mode. Then what you want to do is connect your PS5 controller via the USB-C cable to your PS5 and press the PlayStation button to get to these options. Now, what you want to do is select option number 6, and we're going to rebuild the database. Now, this should only take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, see if you can start your game or app again. Now, if it's still not working, you may have to go into safe mode and reset your console, but do bear in mind this will delete everything on it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.